Hello my dear students, welcome to the board. What a joy to see my dear students here. Well, in this lesson, as you saw from our introduction, we're going to learn about linear equation. In this sub-lesson, we're going to talk about equality. When Mr. Max say equality, what is equality? Let's say Mr. Max say, I got 5 apples in this hand, another 5 apples in this hand. That's called equal, am I right? 5 and 5. Okay, that's pretty straightforward of equality. Okay, because 5 and 5, you know it's equal. Now, if I had to give it a form of expression, in a form of, let's say for example, I say, let's say Mr. Max's height is 180 centimeters and Pablo's height is 60 centimeters. Now, in order for me to create the equality between my height and Pablo's height, I can say my height is equals to 3 times Pablo's height. See that? Because 180, okay, we know that 180 equals to 3 times 60. See that? So I create an equality with my height with Pablo's height. So we know that 3 times 60 is, so we use the long multiplication type. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 6 is 18. So that gives you 180. So I didn't give you directly the 180 when I equal it, but I give you in the form of 3 times Pablo's height. See that? Okay, Mr. Max height is equal to 3 times Pablo's height. See that? So that created an equality. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's say if I give you 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now that's called equality. Okay, if I had to give you, let's say 4 times 3, it's also equals to 10 plus 2. So now you got to complete that, define whether it's true or not. Okay, true or false, because 4 times 3 is 12, 10 plus 2 is 12. So they are equal. So that's called equality. Okay, so the key is whatever operation you're performing on the right or left hand side should equal to the operation you're performing to the other side. Okay, because when you complete the operation, when you solve the operation, the final result should be equal. So I can express it in a different operation format, but what your final answer, it's very important, they have to be equal. Okay, and that is where the equality comes. Now what happens, they're not equal, they call inequality. Let's say for example, if I say 5 times 3 and then I give you 5 plus 12. Now you know that 5 times 3 is 15 and 5 plus 12 is 17. So they're not equal. So you put a line to it, you stroke to it. So this is called inequality. That means 5 times 3 is not equal to 5 plus 12. Because 5 times 3 is 15, 5 plus 12 is 17. And that's called inequality. But we're going to concentrate in the equality, okay? So always both sides has to be equal once you complete whatever operation has been given to you. Alright, my dear students, in this sub-lesson, it's going to be a short sub-lesson. I just want to introduce the word equality, okay? So there is no hands-on practice or quiz. So I will see you on the next sub-lesson, okay? Bye-bye.